This is my Swift Albany canoe. 17 feet long, 2 inches, and I forget how wide it is at the center, almost 36 inches as I recall. It's a river touring canoe. It's got a sliding front seat, and as you can see, wood gunnels. It's a serious canoe, really nice. Signed by John Winters. I looked up and was a whitewater canoe designer. Worked at Swift along with, as I recall, David Yost also designed canoes there. David Yost is more known name, I guess you could say. I've had a couple of his canoes before. But you can see it's really nice condition. And it was purchased in Connecticut, looks like, from the sticker. Used mostly by families, I think. The wood's in really nice shape. Put Wyco oil on it. Came out really nice. Took off the seats and re-glued the front seat a little bit to make it a little stronger. That's about it. Haven't seen many of these. Called Swift Canoe, and actually had to put me in touch with somebody from Algonquin, Canada, and he knew about them. So you can see, you gotta lift the seat in a minute. Sort of slides. And doesn't slide easy because it's not supposed to. So the idea is you move the seat around and sort of adjust for trim based on who's sitting in the front and how much gear you have. So, real nice canoe, real nice dripping canoe. And hadn't seen any before, so I thought I'd post this. Alright, thanks. Bye bye.